this video, we are going to talk about R422A refrigerant. Let's start by saying that R422A refrigerant is a non-azeotropic mixture, made up of R125, R134A and RSIX100, which constitutes one of the alternatives used to replace HCFC hydrochlorofluorocarbon mixtures with no effects on the ozone layer. The main characteristics of R422A refrigerant gas are 1. R422A refrigerant is composed of 85.1% R125 refrigerant, plus 11.5% R134A refrigerant, plus 3.4% isobutane gas. 2. R422A refrigerant is non-flammable and non-toxic, with safety classification A1, group lone. 3. R422A refrigerant is compatible with new and traditional lubricants including MOL mineral oil, ab-alkylbenzene oil and polyester oil. 4. R422A refrigerant has a slip of approximately 12. 5. R422A refrigerant has a GWP global warming potential of 3,143. This can actually affect the use of this refrigerant when taking into account environmental restrictions for greenhouse gases. 6. The pressures and performances of the R422A refrigerant are very similar to those of R404A. 7. R422A refrigerant was designed as a direct replacement for R22-based blends that previously replaced R502, such as R402A, R403B and R408A. 8. R422A refrigerant tends to be used in low-temperature refrigeration systems. 9. R422A refrigerant has a greater cooling capacity than R22, approximately 15% more, in low-temperature conditions. 10. R422A refrigerant is used for low and medium-temperature industrial, commercial, and direct expansion replacement refrigeration systems, including food service equipment, supermarket display cases, food storage and processing, and ice machines. 11. The discharge temperature of R422A refrigerant is lower compared to R22. This extends the life of oil and compressor. 12. R422A refrigerant must always be charged in liquid phase from the cylinder. 13. R422A refrigerant is also known as Freon Mo79 or Izone 79. 14. Field tests show better energy efficiency than R22. 15. On the screen we have the table of pressure and saturation temperature of the refrigerant R422A and the Molar diagram. At this moment the link to our episode number 16 is appearing. Thanks for joining us.